ave recién capturada, recently captured fly animal, paloma, tipo paloma. It seems to be in bad conditions because has been captured in a place where animals used to go to die directly, in a hidden place. It's cago en la puta esta avispa. ¡Ah! ¡Cago en las putas! ¡Ah! ¡Cago en la puta! Bueno, continúe porque there was a dangerous flying. No, okay, it's been captured and seems to be in bad conditions and has cago en la puta. Okay, hostia puta. Bueno, it seems to be very tired. Has been supported with some food and water, and hasn't eat at all. So it's nearly about today if there is no other solution because seems to have un bulto, ¿cómo se dice un bulto en inglés?